Welcome to my YouTube channel Wealth Booster, where you can learn stock market analysis. Today, I am going to do analysis of some stock which I believe it can generate a very good return in the coming few months. They are very looking strong momentum and fundamental. They can go upside from here and it can generate a good return, which is are this company. Let's look at the detail and stock analysis of all the stock that I am going to deduce today. Let's go to our first stock. Firstly, I would like to say if you are new on this channel, please press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more regular updates. So let's go to our first stock, which is going to be our first source. Yes, this is our first stock. Now let's check the key metrics of first source. Market cap size is small cap, PE ratio 35.38, price to book value 5.74, EBIT 28.63, EBITDA 21.24, dividend yield 1.30, ROCE latest 16.06, ROE 16.23. The current market price is going on 229.19, 52 week high is 236, 52 week low is 41 rupees. Now we'll check the CAGR of company. In the past 10 year, company gave us the return of 1183 in 10 year, 466.46 in 7 year, 378.04 in 5 year, 2009.15 in 3 year, 340 in 2 year, 441 in 1 year. So let's now go to a shareholding pattern. Majority shareholders are promoters. Pledge promoter holdings none. Mutual fund held 12.61. FIs held 12.06. Promoter with highest holding RPSG Venture Limited 53.682, which is very good. Highest public shareholder HDFC Small Cap Fund 7.648. Individual investor holding 13.49. Here is the company given the dividend. Here you can see the detail. Now let's go to the company analysis. First Source Solution Limited is an Indian business process management company headquartered in Mumbai, India. It's owned by RP Sanjeev Goenka Group. The banking and financial services, customer services, telecom and media and healthcare sector. Its clients include financial services, telecommunication and healthcare companies. First Source host operation in India, US, UK and Philippines. First Source Solution Limited, incorporated in the year 2001, is a mid-cap company having a market cap of 16,002 crore, operating in IT-enabled service sector. For the quarter ended 31st March, the company has reported a consolidated total income of rupees 1,460.90 crore, up 6.91% from last quarter. Total income of rupees 1,366 crore and up 35.14. From the last year same quarter, the total income of rupees 1,081 crore. Company has reported net profit after tax of rupees 46.68 crore. Now let's check a technical analysis. A strong ability to service debt as the company has low debt to EBITDA ratio of 1.18 times. With a growth in operating profit of 9.79, the company declared very positive result in March 21. The company has declared positive result for the last consecutive quarters. Stock is technically in a bullish range. The technical trend has improved from midly bullish on 4th March 2021 and has generated 112.59% return in since then. Multiple factors for the stock are bullish like MACD, Bollinger Band and etc. High institutional holdings at 27.05. These investors have better capability and resources to analyze fundamental of companies than most retail investors. Their stake has increased by 2.29% over the previous quarter. Now let's check the company income. Here you can see the annual income of company. Total revenue 5,779 crore. Total expenses 4,532 crore in FY21. And the company balance sheet is, yes, you can see a total asset 4,829 in FY 2021. Total liabilities 2,029 in FY 2021. Total debt to equity 0.19, which is very good. Now let's go to chart. Here You can see I have plotted the support. If you're if you want to buy, so wait for the level, and the level is 220. If it comes around 220, then you can go for a buying side, otherwise wait. Okay, so keep it your watch list. Now let's go to our second stock, which is related to power sector. It is Godavari Power Ispat. Yes, Hira. So let's go to check the metrics, key metrics. Market cap size small cap, PE ratio 7.82, price to book value 2.45, EBIT 5.30, EBITDA 4.70, dividend yield 0.35%, ROCE 38.56%, ROE 31.36. Current market price is going on 1411, 52-week high is 1550 and 52-week low is 153. Let's check the company CAGR. 10 years 769% return, 5 year 2294% return, 4 year 1350% return, 3 year 247% return, 2 year 635% return, 1 year 814% return, year till date 196.99% return. Let's go to shareholding pattern. Majority shareholder are promoters. Pledge promoter holdings 32.51. Mutual fund held 0.46, FIs held 0.62. Promoter with highest holding Bajrang Lal Agarwal, person acting in concert 7.773%. Highest public shareholder none. Individual investor holding 23.78%. Here you can see the dividend record. Now, company analysis. GPIL is a flagship company of Raipur-based Hira Group of Industries, having dominant presence in the long product segment of the steel industry, mainly into milled steel wire. Today, GPIL is end-to-end manufacturer of milled steel wires. In the process of the company manufactures sponge iron, billets, ferroalloys, captive powers, power wire rods, steel wires, oxygen gas, fly ash brick, and last but not the least, iron ore pellets. GPIL is also awarded right from iron ore mining for captive consumption, as a result of which the company has managed to traverse the entire value chain, the raw material to final product, in steel wires, and has now become a fully integrated steel manufacturer. The quarter ended 31st March. The company has reported a consolidated total income of rupees 1,263 crore, up 111.58% from last quarter total income of rupees 1,132 crore and up 60.42 from last year same quarter total income of rupees 787.74 crore. Company has reported net profit after tax of rupees 304 crore in last quarter. Let's check technical analysis. Healthy long-term growth, as operating profit has grown by an annual rate 68.32 with a growth in net profit of 82.74. The company declared outstanding result in March 2021. The company has declared positive result for the last consecutive quarters. Its stock is technically in a bullish range. The technical trend has improved from midly bullish on 10th March and has generated 154% 55 return. Since then, the multiple factor of for the stock bullish like MACD Bollinger Band with ROCE of 38.6%. It has a fair valuation with a 2 enterprises value to capital employed. The stock is trading at a discount compared to its average historical valuation over the past year. While the stock has generated a return of 811%, its profit have risen by 269.4%. The PEG ratio of the company is 0. Let's check the company income. March 2021 total income is 1,263 crore. Total expenses in 2021 803.26. Company balance sheet. Total asset in FY 2020 3,481. Total asset growth for 0.84. Total liabilities 1,978. Total liabilities growth percentage -9%. Total debt to equity ratio is 1.23. Now let's go to chart. Here you can see I plotted the resistance and support. It is just around the support. If it is taken support around continuously 1409, then we can go again for a buy side. Otherwise you can keep it your on watch list. Thank you so much guys. Let's finish the video. Thank you so much guys. I hope you will like this video. Please subscribe my channel, share and subscribe. Happy investing, safe investing. See you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.